This fast-moving flow we have been in just continues now going forward. You can clearly see the latest system moving away through the Canadian Maritimes. Behind that, still some lingering snow showers up north and still some brisk winds out of the northwest going through the afternoon. A few kicking up over 30 miles an hour. Sunshine for southern areas of the state and temperatures this afternoon in the 40s, while we'll be in the 30s up north. Just not going to feel like that through the afternoon. 20s as the wind lightens tonight, and then the wind turns southwesterly tomorrow. We should be back near 50 in the afternoon. And you notice the next shower chance in the latest train of systems making its way towards us, starting to arrive after 5 o'clock in western New Hampshire, and for the rest of us Friday evening. That will pull away early on Saturday. That'll set up temperatures in the 50s on Saturday afternoon, maybe even up near 60 in a couple of southern spots. So a good afternoon for outdoor activities. Clouds will thicken again on Sunday, and that will be our next system moving in. So two systems, one Friday night, another one later on Sunday afternoon, both of those with mostly rain shower activity.